The Sixth Amendment was ratified on December 15, 1791, as part of the Bill of Rights to address concerns that the original Constitution did not sufficiently protect individual liberties against federal overreach. Historical origins: the amendment's roots are found in English common law and early American colonial experiences. English influence: many protections, such as the right to a jury trial and a public trial, evolved from medieval English practices intended to replace trial by ordeal or secret proceedings like the Court of Star Chamber. Magna Carta 1215. This Great Charter established that a king was not above the law and guaranteed a trial by a judgment of peers. Colonial grievances: the British Crown often moved trials for political adversaries to England or delayed them indefinitely. This led the founders to explicitly codify the rights to a speedy trial, local jury, and notice of charges. Key components: amendment guarantees 6 specific protections for criminal defendants: speedy and public trial, prevents the government from holding defendants indefinitely without trial, and ensures proceedings are open to prevent secret abuses. Impartial jury, requires a trial by a neutral group of citizens from the district where the crime occurred. Notice of accusation, defendants must be informed of the nature and cause of the charges against them. Confrontation clause, gives defendants the right to face and cross-examine witnesses testifying against them. Compulsory process, grants the power to subpoena witnesses to testify in the defendant's favor. Assistance of counsel, originally interpreted as the right to hire a lawyer. It later expanded to include government-provided lawyers for those who cannot afford them. Evolution through landmark cases: for most of U.S. history, these rights only applied to federal cases. Starting in the 20th century, the Supreme Court used the 14th Amendment to incorporate these protections at the state level. Powell v. Alabama 1932 established the right to an attorney in death penalty cases, regardless of ability to pay. Gideon v. Wainwright 1963 ruled that states must provide a public defender to anyone accused of a felony who cannot afford one. Duncan v. Louisiana 1968 guaranteed the right to a jury trial for serious offenses in state courts. Barker v. Wingo 1972 established a 4-part balancing test to determine if a defendant's right to a speedy trial was violated. Ramos v. Louisiana 2020 mandated that jury verdicts must be unanimous for criminal convictions in both state and federal courts.